Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best portable music player in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5.32GB MAP3 player with Bluetooth 5.0. Aworth Portable Digital Lossless Music MP3 MP4 player for kids with FM radio HE speaker for sports running, super light metal shell touch buttons. The latest upgraded Bluetooth 5.0. This MAP3 player built-in Bluetooth 5.0 provide faster data transfer speed 40% increase, and more stable connection. The connection distance is also longer. In addition, power consumption will be reduced, increasing battery life. Enjoy cutting-edge technology. Supreme lossless sound quality experience. This Bluetooth music player, built-in latest DAC audio decoder chip, provides higher audio resolution, restore the original sound. Sweet treble, accurate mid-range, deep bass. Support most audio formats such as MAP3, FLAC 8 BOG, etc. and JOY, hi-fi quality at a fair price. Built-in 32GB large memory. Not only built-in 32GB high-speed memory. A total of up to 5,000 songs can be stored with 32GB. Number 4.32GB MP3 player with Bluetooth 5.0, AGPDK, a 19x2.4 curved screen portable music player with speaker lossless sound with FM radio, voice recorder. Supports up to 128GB blue. 32GB large memory. Built-in 32GB large memory and support up to 128GB TF card. TF card not included. It means that you can download thousands of songs and store a lot of files. It will work better with the AGPTK TF card. Wireless Bluetooth 5.0. AGPTK MP3 player adopts upgraded Bluetooth 5.0, has better compatibility, stable signal, and reduces the power consumption of the music player. You can pair the Bluetooth MP3 player with your Bluetooth wireless headphones or car Bluetooth speaker. Tips. Unable to directly connect to cell phone and car via Bluetooth. 2.4-inch large 3D curved screen. AGPTK MP3 player with Bluetooth has a 2.4-inch 3D curved surface, is stylish and high resolution. Excellent touching with a smooth true color displaying screen. The metal zinc alloy cover feels more comfortable. Number 3. Sony Northwest A55/L Walkman. Northwest A55 high-res 16GB MP3 player, Moonlit Blue. Step up your sound with the incredible audio fidelity of the Northwest A55. Hear all of your favorite music in authentic high-res audio through the S-Master HX upscaling. Keep listening for up to 45 hours on a single charge and expand your on-the-go music collection with the SD card slot. Precision engineered for improved sound quality. Truly authentic sound with high-res audio. S-Master HX digital amplifier for pure sound quality. DSEE-HX upscaling restores quality to compressed files. In the box, Walkman, USB cable, startup guide, instruction manual. Number 2.96GB MP3 player with Bluetooth 5.0. Venistix E6 music audio player with speaker, metal body and glass back, FM radio, voice recorder, ebook. Support micro SD card up to 256GB. Metal body and glass back. 2.4-inch IPS display with combination of touchscreen and physical buttons, metal body and glass back. This MP3 player is designed at high level for entry-level use. MP3 player with Bluetooth 5.0. Advanced Bluetooth 5.0 is inbuilt in this MP3 player. Supports wired and wireless earphones, car audio, external Bluetooth speaker with fast and stable transmission without tangling. Enjoy your favorite music freely with Bluetooth 5.0. Loudspeaker and stereo sound. Built-in speaker offers loud volume stereo sound, supports most audio formats such as APE, FLAC, MP3, OGG, AAC, ACELP, WMA, WAV, support bookmark your place in an audiobook, and video format such as AMV, AVI. And it supports FM radio recording. Number 1.32GB MP3 player with Bluetooth 5.3, AGPTK A09x2.4 screen portable music player with speaker lossless sound with FM radio, voice recorder. Supports up to 128GB black. Upgraded wireless Bluetooth 5.3 AGPT. A 09XMP3 music player adopts cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Faster transmission, more stable connection, stronger anti-interference, better compatibility, lower latency, and lower consumption. You can pair the Bluetooth MP3 player with wireless headphones or a Bluetooth speaker, so you can enjoy lossless music while keeping your hands free. Multifunction MP3 music player. A 09XMP3 player with music played, video, built-in speaker, recording, radio, pictures, ebooks, Bluetooth, pedometer, etc. built-in 500 mAh battery. This MP3 player enables you to enjoy music for a long time. It only takes about 2.5 hours for a full charge. Exquisite design, crafted using superior aluminum alloy and zinc alloy, comes with a better hand feel. Features a 2.4-inch TFT color screen with a resolution of 240 x 320, bringing a clear and beautiful display that meets your daily needs, and it's a great gift for your family and friends.